Welcome back to my channel. We're looking at mastering Linux command for system administrators and cybersecurity professionals. So in the next this video, we're going to be talking about networking commands and how you can use them. So let's clear our screen. Let's clear the screen, and we have the first command that we have is IPIA. That shows you display all network interfaces and the IP addresses. So these are all the interfaces we have and their corresponding IP address. I'm not connected to the internet right now, so you won't see an IP address listed here. So these are the two interfaces that we have, and this is where the IP address should come up. So remember, the 127.3.01 is a loopback address, very important. So this is the IP address of this machine. This is the physical address. So you need to know all of this. So the next command is to display the address details of a particular interface. So we're going to use the ETH0. So to do that, we have IP address showdef ETH0. That shows you similar to the IP, the other one. So that's how it works. So the next one we're going to do is to query or control network driver and hardware settings. To do that, we use the ETH2 command with the, we'll call it the interface, and that's how you do that. So it shows the settings, and you can edit that if you want to. We're not going to do that right now. So the next command, which is very important to check connectivity, is to ping. And I know it's not going to go because I'm not connected to the internet. So you ping either a domain name or you can ping the IP address. So it's not going to go because I'm not connected to the internet. So the next one is who is domain. I had to go connect to the internet, so we did that, and let's ping google.com and see we're getting response. So that's how to ping a host. We can quit. Then the other one we're going to look at is the whois. Whois, you should use to display the whois information of a particular domain. So we see whoisgoogle.com and it gives us a reply. So it is a program inbuilt in the Kali Linux or the Kali Linux operating system. So it keeps coming up. So I can go down. Okay. So to get the DNS information, you use the dig command and dig with the domain name google.com. It gives you the DNS information that you need to know. So let's copy the IP address for Google. We're going to need that. See, yeah, it's copied already. So to get a reverse lookup using the IP command, using the dig command to get the reverse look, use the dig command with the switchx and the domain name. I think I already have that, and gives us a reverse look up. So that's all. The next one is to display the DNS IP address for a particular domain, what you just need to do is to type the host command and the domain name, and that gives you the IP address of that. Yeah, so to display the network address of a particular host name, you just of your machine, so host name switch I, small I, switch small I, so it gives you the host name of your machine, which is this. And to get the local IP address of a host of this my machine, use a capital I, sorry, and that gives you my IP address. You can get this also from the IPA command that we used. Yeah, this command, if you remember, you can also use config t. This is work for all Linux system. How do you do that? ifconfig, sorry, sleeping, shows you the same information that the other one IPA shows. So that's how to do it. So to download a file, you can, with a link, you use the wget command followed by the link address, and you do that and it starts downloading. So you can suspend that because I don't want to download that. So to display TCP and let's say you are trying to find out what is listening on a particular port, which is very important for security professionals, use the netstart command, and you just choose for UDP and TCP. So we don't have anything listening. So to do well, if you want to see if there's any program listening on a particular on TCP or UDP, use this command to do that. So ifconfig to display information, we've done that already. Traceroute is used to display the path and that the packet take to the host. So to do that, traceroute, and for Google to show you all the path it takes to get to your system. So let's finish doing that. Yep, I think it should be done soon. I think get 40 and 30. So it takes 30 hops to get to my system. So that's how to do. The last command we're going to be looking at in networking is the TCP dump. One of my favorite commands is used for listening. Yeah, so you have to be root to do that. TCP dump. Yeah, it kind of listens for. Okay, my system is quite slow now. But let's see. Oh. So I'm trying to see if we can generate traffic. So you see that we are listening on my machine. So any traffic that's going on the system, we can monitor it here. So that's what the TCP dump does. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment. I'll answer your questions. So I'll see you in the next one. Have a lovely day.